All right, problem number 2. You guys tried it so far? Here we go. Sally goes to the bank to put money on. It was really weird wording. She has a CD that will pay her 200% interest in 30 years, or she can get 7% interest compounded annually for those 30 years, or she can get 6% compounded monthly. She puts in $1,000, which would make more money, and by how much? Start off with the first scenario. The first scenario, she's got $1,000. She makes 200% one time. What's her final amount? This would be $3,000. There's our standard. She gets $3,000. She goes that route. Next route, she's looking at, she goes n equals n naught. 1 plus r to the t. You go n equals the initial amount is still 1,000. 1 plus the rate she's making is 0.07. She's going to do that once a year for 30 years. So it's going to be compounded 30 times. So I put 1.07 to the 30th in my calculator, and I get n equals 1,000. 7.61 dot dot dot. So times 1,000, and I get that my amount is $7,612.25. So clearly option 2 is much better than option 1. Waiting a little bit longer. Hope you're getting caught up. All right, then let's move forward. I've got n equals n naught, 1 plus r to the t. And this is the one that's compounded monthly, so it's going to mess everything up. So I'm going to go n equals n naught. Oops, that's 1,000, right? I'm starting with $1,000. At 1 plus, I'm going to get 6%, but they're going to divide it by 12 because they're only going to give me 1/12 of that every month. How much time, though? 30 times 12. It's going to be 360 times they're going to compound my interest. That sounds good. Want that. So then 0.06 divided by 12 plus 1. And I get n equals 1,000, 1.005 to the 360. So let my calculator do that because I don't want to do that by hand. It's not fun. I get 1,000. 6.02257. So multiply by 1,000, and you get 6022.57. Notice how I dropped, I rounded down. So what's the best one? This is the best one. By how much money? It's better than this option. By $1,589.67 roughly-ish. That doesn't make sense. That can't be right. Hold on. Hmm. 1.25 minus 5.57, 6.8-ish. Sorry, my bad rounding caught me. Good? All right, make sense? Okay, do the last 3 problems for your homework, and I will move on to 9-4. 9-4 is going to be next.